As you see in the map, the India is surrounded by sea and ocean in its three sides. So it is called पेनिनसुला. और अगर हम बात करें कि इंडियन की जो बॉर्डर है उसकी भूखंड की स्थित है, तो भारतीय भूखंड एशिया महाद्वीप के पूर्व और पश्चिम के मध्य स्थित है. और भारत विश्व के संबंध देशों के साथ बहुत प्राचीन काल से ही सी रूट, वाटर रूट और सी रूट एंड द लैंड रूट से कनेक्टेड रहे हैं. क्षेत्रफल की दृष्टि से इस समय सबसे बड़ा राज्य राजस्थान है और सबसे छोटा राज्य गोवा है. भारत की प्रमुख पड़ोसी देश के बारे में तो आप जान ही लिए हैं. एंड द लेंथ you can say the land line, it is 15,200 kilometer, and the length from north to south it is 3,214 kilometer. And it is state from the सबसे ज़्यादा अगर हम बात करें कि व्हाट इज़ द स्टेट विच द हाईएस्ट कोस्ट लाइन, दैट इज़ गुजरात. इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट द ईस्टर्न साइड, देन द लोहित इन अरुणाचल प्रदेश इज़ द easternmost boundary. Lohit, that means a small district of Arunachal Pradesh, it is the lowest in eastern boundary. So I think you mostly clear about the international boundaries of India. India and its neighboring country. India is a peninsula surrounded by water on all three sides. The Arabian Sea to the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south was the shore of the Indian peninsula. The central location of India at the head of the Indian Ocean is considered of great significance. If we go through the neighboring country, in the north, India very close international border with China, Tibet, Nepal and Bhutan. Eastern side, it is with Bangladesh and Myanmar. Western side, it is with Pakistan, and the sea border neighboring country is Sri Lanka and Maldives. So all are our neighboring country. Once again, number 1 in northern India, it is connected with China. Second number, Tibet. Third, Nepal, as you see on the map. Fourth number, Bhutan. Eastern side, it is connected with land boundary Bangladesh and Myanmar. In the western side, it is connected with Pakistan, a big land border. And in water body, if you go through the Indian Ocean, the south water body, that is two countries are there. One is Sri Lanka and other is Maldives. Then these all our neighboring country. India also called peninsula. Why? Because India is surrounded by three